What's up, guys? This is the Pro here, and today I'm here with the new video. As you can see the screen, you saw from the title, this is the Disney Plus method, aka how to get free Disney Plus. Now I'm not gonna have no intro, no nothing. Let's get straight into this video. Now first things first, you're gonna need you have to make an account. So go ahead and make that account or whatever. Or like when you click on the joint to get the joint, it'll make you make an account anyway. So you have to make an account, whatever. After you're gonna hit start free trial because we're not gonna be buying it. Cause yeah, I don't got no method for that. You're gonna want to hit this, and then this is gonna be very similar to the Twitch Prime method. Now I know it says name on card, all this. For name on card and zip code and all that, you could use fake name generators. I could use like this. If for some reason you don't want to use your real name, but I'm just gonna censor it out. And card. Now this is gonna be like the Twitch Prime method if you've seen that video. But do not click off, because there will be a like goal for something. But yeah, with the Twitch Prime method, basically, if you go to the store, you can order them online. Because I know everybody doesn't have a store. You go to Wawa, Walmart, any store, go to a store and you go to the gift card aisle. There are debit cards, or like little Visa cards. I put a picture on the screen. Little debit Visa cards, right? The lowest one you can get is the 25. I'm pretty sure, any of them. The lowest one you can get is the 25. Basically, you're going to want to get one of them, and once you get one of them, you're going to want to spend most of the money on it, just in case you forget to cancel it. You're going to want to spend most of the money, if not all. So you want to leave like $1 or like some cents on it, and then basically once you have that, you can use this for almost anything. Disney Plus, Twitch Prime. Now let me go type in the numbers. But yeah, like I'm saying, you can use this for anything. Disney Plus, Twitch Prime, any subscription based thing, really. I think there's only been like one or two things I've tried this with and it didn't work. But yeah, anything that says free trial, you could basically use it for anything. You just have to cancel. I mean, like with Twitch Prime, it cancels it by itself, but I'm pretty sure some things you'll have to cancel it, or else it'll be like very weird. But now jump cut, guys, because it was not working with me. I think my internet's messing up or something. But anyways, I got my good friend, as some of y'all may know him. Actually, I don't know if I've done any videos with him on the channel. I don't think I have, but my good friend Destroyer, he's always in the comment section showing love like y'all should be, but y'all don't. But that's not the problem. But yeah, I got my good friend Destroyer to do it. I gave him a car I was going to use, had literally no money on it. It worked, as you see. That's what I have right now. I'm playing this, just going through all the shows to show you proof it wasn't working for me. But yeah, now the light goal is not going to be nothing easy, because look, the last time the Twitch Prime video got 50k. Since I got 50k, 5k likes, if you know what that means, 5,000 likes. 5,000 likes, I will give y'all one of these cards y'all can use on any website. It's just, I would give it out now, but I'm afraid y'all gonna like burn it out on most websites. It's not gonna be usable. I'm afraid of it getting burned out. So if y'all want it, y'all gonna have to work for 5,000 likes. But that is the video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. I will try to answer as many questions as I can. But if you go on there speaking some stupid stuff in the comments, I'm not going to answer it. That's just me being real. But that is the video, guys. And this is the Pro signing out. Peace.
We have to take us to